Hi guys, here we are. It is a beautiful day. This is the day we can say all chicken have come to roost. No, I've said it many times. No matter where you are in the world, once you have internet access, you can buy whatever it is you want, send it to a warehouse in Florida, and we ship it home to you. Now, it touches my heart today to say I am delivering at this moment a hospital bed. Now, it doesn't matter the condition or the situation that your families are in Jamaica, reach out to them, show some love, send a big screen TV for mama. In this case, we're sending a hospital bed for grandpa. And of course, our lovely caregiver is here with me to connect it, and she's rather pleased because I know him easier for turning the bed, don't?
And no, him is not here to use that bed.
He's not here to use it?
No.
Where is he?
He passed off Monday.
What?
Yeah.
All right, so I was not expecting this. And
no problem.
I am really, truly sorry to hear. I hope you're handling it well.
I enjoy the service very much. It is very unique, respectable. So I enjoyed every moment of the service.
So you like that we take it to you?
Yeah.
So how you manage with Grandpa gone now?
Well, Grandpa gone, just gonna rest in place. Wow. Just a day before us. We have to just keep strength and just know that's life.
I know this is one that is heavy on me. Heavy on my heart. I'm out here pouring out my heart to say, yes, we finally get the bed to Grandpa and Grandpa is gone. As you said, Grandpa is in a better place.
Yeah. 88 is a good
88, that's a good number.
It's a good strokes.
A good number.
So we have to just know
Grandpa was top cricketer.
Yeah. We have to just know that Grandpa just gone in a resting place and just a day before us, and we have to just give God thanks for that. But nevertheless, it will be still at using, not because Grandpa is gone here.
Have use for it.
If we gonna make use for it.
We are going to make use for it. Hospital bed or not, I go sleep on it. We have use for it. And I'm really sorry to hear, about the passing of Grandpa. We'll come at 9 night, But you have good soup, the nice soup.
Tomorrow
the
is
soup.
the 9 day.
Tomorrow's the 9 day.
Yeah, I'm going to do the 9 day for tomorrow. But the 9 night, you will hear further because I have a number so I can give you.
At 9 day, I'll definitely. I can pass through.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll pass through and show some love.
Yeah, man.
All right, so no matter where you are, any corner of the earth, you can down on one place named Saskatchewan. Yeah, you know what I talk over Canada. Or
so I can
anywhere in the US.
Overseas and I have company to.
Yes, no matter whatever it is you order.
It is a very good
and we're here to please.
Okay.
All right.
I'm glad you come at 28 Lakeland Drive, and this is a good moment to come at 28 Lakeland Drive.
Thanks for your patronage.
Okay.
Really thankful for your patronage.
Okay.
And sorry for the loss. So there you have it, guys. Good things happen, bad things happen. Whatever it is, we are here to support you. Now come on, 9 night, come drink some of the soup. 9 night soup is always different. The goated soup with the whole heap of something in it. I'm into that. See you on the rebound. Peace.
Okay, thank you very much.